Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. Two particles A and B are thrown simultaneously from two different floors of tower having distance d between them. Velocities of particle A is given to us VA and it is thrown at an angle alpha from horizontal, while velocities of particle B is VV and it is thrown at an angle beta with horizontal. If two particles collide in midair, then we have to find the value of VA upon VV. So students, इस क्वेश्चन में हमें एक टावर दिया गया. Let's say this is the tower and from two different floors, particles A and particles B are thrown. Let's say particle A is thrown from here and particle B is thrown from this floor, and it is thrown in such a way that particle A is making an angle alpha and particle B is making an angle beta with horizontal. So students, हमें ये बोला गया है that they will collide somewhere in the air. So ट्रैवल करते हुए लेट्स सपोज A कुछ इस तरह से ट्रैवल कर रहा और B कुछ इस तरह से ट्रैवल कर रहा और ये कहीं मिड एयर में कोलाइड कर रहे हैं. तो हमें बताना है कि कोलिजन के बाद VA अपॉन VB की वैल्यू क्या होगी. फॉर दैट प्लीज नोट द की कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. That in a projectile motion, the horizontal component of velocity remains same because no forces are acting on the object in x direction. So students, also we can say that the distances covered by particle A and particle B in x direction must be same. That is students, particle the distance traveled by particle A was this in x direction and distance traveled by particle B, this is the distance traveled by particle B and this is the distance traveled by particle A in x direction. So SA equals to SB. Now for x direction motion for particle A we can write this as U cos alpha into time t, and for particle B we can write it U cos beta into time t. This is UA, this is UB. No acceleration terms are coming in the expression of SA and SB. This is because of this key concept that velocity in x direction remains same. So this t and this t will get cancelled out and we are concerned with finding UA upon UB or VA upon VB. Let's say this is V and this will be cos beta upon cos alpha, and this corresponds to option A of this question. That's so the correct option of this question is option A. I hope आपको ये concept समझ आया students. Thank you.